Hello matey, this is Chris or Captain OldBlue over at CGPirates.com. How you doing? Yarrrr. Yarrrr. Thank you. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to look at some navigation inside of Unreal Engine, because you now have Unreal Engine all set up and ready to go. So here it is. And what I need you to do is hold down your right mouse button. Now if you're using a laptop, okay, I'd really suggest you get a mouse, but if you can't go out to get one, obviously, right mouse button on your trackpad. So right mouse button, and when you move around, it's just like a video game. Okay, up, down, left, right. Okay, so next we're going to talk about moving backwards, forwards, and strafing left and right. It's the same as a video game. The keys W, A, S, and D. So W, A, S, D. W, A, S, D. Okay? And obviously this means that we can now get in close or move far away, we can move around things, and we can examine things. And at first this may seem like a bit of a strange way of navigating if you're used to a more traditional 3D background. But it makes a lot of sense because you're seeing things from the perspective of the player at all times. Okay? So, that's your navigation. Now, before I move away from this, I just want to mention a few things, because when you start, especially in first person template, you get this, which is your test level, okay? And this is just basically a kind of a little playroom where you can shoot a kind of a ball gun and knock over some bricks, and it's got a few things in it. But it's a good way to kind of show you how things are laid out in an initial game, okay? So here, this is where your player will start from, and you see it's given them a handy dandy little video camera so you know what's going on. This is the direct lighting coming straight into your scene. This is calculating any reflections, and these are bounding boxes, which we'll talk about later on, so don't worry about that, and your post-process volume, which affects how things look. Okay? Now, over here obviously you've got one big piece that makes up your floor, and you've got these pieces here which make up your walls, and then over here you've got a selection of boxes, and that's all that this level is. Different boxes, okay, all different sizes. So in the next one we're going to get rid of all this, and we're going to start from scratch, and we're going to make a brand new level inside the game, give it a name, okay, and get started with that. So until then, you take it easy, and if you've got any questions, or if you're stuck on anything at all, just come over to our Discord, or go to the Facebook group, or just shoot us an email through the website. And I look forward to hearing from you and seeing you in the next part. Bye bye for now.